Just got my order from Trippy Hippy seeds. They are legit. I spoke to the homie. He seems like a good guy. I did some extensive research. There's not much on him out there because there's a new seed bank. But he's got Square One gear. He's got Frozen. He's got a Square One Robinhood gear. He's got some good stuff. So let's get into this package and see what homie had. So off the rip, he set us up with an amazing amount of stickers, a personal handwritten card. Here's his information right here. Awesome guy. He just wants to actually do something progressive for the cannabis community. So look, legit, you guys see this logo? That's my man's. Let's see what seeds we picked up. So we picked up some frozen bag from Robinhood. These are sold out everywhere. He still has some. And he has some grape rock candy crossed with banana buttercup F2s. Super rare. Any pack you buy from him, he has frozen OG. He has a couple other ones. Any pack you buy from him comes with a freebie 3-pack of Big League, which is a great deal, especially when purchasing Robinhood seeds. Anybody that has experience purchasing Robinhood seeds, Robinhoods don't usually come with freebies. So this is awesome. And on top of that, he sent me more freebies. We got 3 Ready Whip from Lit Farms. I will be ordering with my man again, Trippy Hippy seeds. Check it out.